Alright, we got our head all dried and we marked our centerpiece where we want our center to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 4-inch belt sander and we're going to sand this down to start to get it to round down to get into this circle here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in my comments section and I'll get back with you. So you can see how we're getting it rounded down, so we'll keep doing that till we get it all rounded where we want it, and then we'll switch to our Dremel to further shape it. Thanks for watching.